In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Writesonic AI Article Writer 3.0 to get started, open Writesonic, and sign in to your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and this is where you can access the platform's writing tools. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's your first time using it, because that makes the rest of the process much easier. From the dashboard, find AI Article Writer 3.0 and click on it to begin creating a new article. This tool is designed to help you build long-form content faster, while still giving you control over the structure and direction of the piece. Next, enter the topic or keyword you want to write about. This is the foundation of your article, so be as clear and specific as possible. For example, you might enter something like best productivity apps for remote workers, how to start a YouTube channel, or digital marketing tips for beginners. A well-defined topic usually leads to a more focused and useful article. After that, add your target keywords. This includes your main keyword and any related keywords you want the article to target for SEO. For instance, if your primary keyword is AI content writing, you might include supporting keywords like AI writer, content creation, and SEO writing. This helps guide the article so it aligns better with search intent. Now choose the language for your article, if multiple language options are available. Make sure this matches the audience you're writing for before moving on. You can then configure the article settings. Depending on the options available, you may be able to choose the article length, tone of voice, point of view, audience type, and content goals. For tone, you might choose professional, casual, informative, or persuasive. These settings help shape how the final article sounds and who it is best suited for. Once your settings are in place, click Generate Outline. Writesonic will create a structure for the article, including headings, subheadings, and the overall flow. Review that outline carefully and make edits if needed. This step is important because a strong outline makes the full article much more useful and organized. When you're happy with the outline, click Generate Article and wait while Writesonic creates the full draft. It will typically generate the introduction, main sections, and conclusion for you. After the article is ready, review and edit it carefully. Check for accuracy, grammar, SEO optimization, readability, and consistency with your brand voice. You should also add your own insights and examples to make the content more original and valuable. Once everything looks good, copy the article, export it if that option is available, and then publish it to your blog, website, or preferred content platform. And that's how to use Writesonic AI Article Writer 3.0.